Ready to supercharge your Windows 11 experience with a dedicated graphics card? Let's jump right in and make sure your Nvidia graphics card is the star player by setting it as the default in Windows 11 first. Open your Settings app. You can usually find it in your Start menu or by searching for Settings in the search bar. Once the Settings app is open, click on System. This section controls all the behind-the-scenes functions of your computer. Within System, click on Display. This is where we'll be managing your screens and how they work. Scroll down until you see Graphics and click on it. This is where you can specify which GPU is used for your games and apps. In the Graphics Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Change Default Graphics Settings. Click on this to control how your installed applications use your graphics card. Now, choose the application you want to prioritize. If the application isn't listed, click the Browse button in the subsequent window. Find and open the application's executable file, usually a X file. The selected application should now appear. Click on the application's name to reveal its options. Select options from the selections below. You'll see 3 radio buttons for your graphics preference. Let Windows decide: power saving and high performance. Select high performance. This ensures that the app utilizes your Nvidia card. Finally, click Save Now. That specific application will use your high-performance Nvidia card as its default for optimal graphics. Repeat these steps for other graphics-intensive applications, and you'll maximize your performance. Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.